One day, a monkey and crab was walking. The crab found a big rice bowl. So the monkey also looked around. He found a persimmon seed. He said to the crab, "Let's trade." The clever monkey said, "Once you eat the rice bowl, it will be gone. But if you plant this seed, you'll get tons of persimmon." The crab said, "No, this is mine." The crab felt this is unfair trade. But the monkey grabbed and ate it, and left her the seed. She planted the persimmon seed and watered it daily, saying, "If you don't but quickly, I'll dig you up with my hoe." The frightened seed quickly sprouted. "If you don't hurry up and grow, I'll snip you in half with my scissors." The bud quickly grew into a big tree. "Barefoot, or I'll chop you down with an axe." The frightened tree promptly bore fruit. The crab tried to climb the tree. Tried hard, but failed. "Oh no, I can't take the fruits." She was disappointed. Then here comes the monkey, noticing the bright red persimmon. "May I take the fruit for you?" "Ah, this persimmon looks yummy." Yummy." "You can eat as you want, but please give me one." "Here you go, have this one." He threw the green persimmon. "Can I have the ripe bright one?" "This green unripe one is for you," and threw them down at Crab's head. "Ouch!" "Ahaha," he said. He laughed and went back to his home. The poor crab was injured. Her friends came to visit her. When she explained what happened, Bee went to tell others. A martyr and a chestnut came. Also, with Cowdown and the Bee, they discussed how can we punish the monkey and revenge. Next day morning at the monkey's. "Hey, he is not at home," said the Bee. So they went inside. Decided where to hide. Chestnut hid in the ashes of the fireplace. The Bee hid in the water pot. Cowdown asked Manta to hide above the doorway. They waited till the monkey's back. He came back home from the persimmon tree. "Oh, did I leave the door open?" "Phew, it's cold today," he said, just as he sat at the fireplace. Bump! Chestnut burst up from the ashes. "Ouch!" The monkey ran yelping into the kitchen. Trying to dunk his hands in the tub of water to ease his pain. A bee sprang out and stung him left and right. "Ah!" Cowdown pressed himself on the ground. So that's the monkey will slip and fall to the ground. At last the martyr crouched down on his body. The monkey ran over and never came back. They enjoyed the fruit together after all. The end.